Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure JDK is ready and files are organized. Create main, Java and helper. Java now, put them in the same package or default package so compilation is simple. In helper, declare public methods or fields you need, and in main, create public static void main to run the program. Once done, save both files and compile them together with javac main. Java helper. Java, this ensures the compiler sees both classes and builds interclass references correctly. Now you wire the classes. In main, instantiate helper using new helper or call helper. Static method, if you made it static. Pass data through constructors so each object starts in a valid state, and prefer private fields with getters and setters to preserve encapsulation. Use descriptive method names and keep responsibilities small. Make sure to handle checked exceptions with try/catch or throws in method signatures. Once these calls compile, run Java main and observe the interactions between classes. Finish by compiling every source and running your entry point. If you reorganize into packages, add package declarations at file tops and use import statements where needed, then recompile the package tree. Make sure main references fully qualified names when necessary. If something fails, a common troubleshooting tip: when you see no class def found error or class not found exception, verify the class path and that compiled. Class files mirror the package directory layout. Fix package lines or class path and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.